There are new frontiers in our training. We created new frontiers where operations in retrospect and the police teams participated in all spheres of this. Is that Dr. Akuffo Dampare's administration keeps happening. And then finally, cementing police legitimacy. Members of the public, when we talk of legitimacy, it is not a question of the law that says that, but there are substance of the people and the willingness of the people. Mr. Ash, we have visited this town. A lot of people have asked questions bordering from criminal investigation, granting of bail, people, riders in discipline, our accoutrement, how these things are used, and the kids in particular. A lot of them have worn this, our accoutrement, and taking photos. Some even took interest. They say, how can a policeman wear this heavy thing for almost 12 hours? Both women, they question, where lies our strength? And we say all these things are being done from God and in service to humanity. Mr. IGP, we are grateful.
Thank you very much. I've said, Cecilia, first list for ending up for. They said they have passed 1 year. Wow, the police until bottom that's one man information ya what me ya juma etina sisi ya pese ya dey ahun bebo na mutimi my information